All right, this is our very first.
And look, what does this add up to? 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 9 is 20, plus 1 is 21. It's a sign, Danny.
Blackjack.
Nothing but winning from here on out.
Blackjack.
All right, we are at the Palazzo in room 2910. As you walk into a little hallway. On the right, there is a floor to ceiling, almost, mirror. You can check yourself before you wreck yourself. Turn around, on your left, you have a set of double doors that lead into the bathroom. You walk into a pretty open area. To the right, you have a vanity table, I guess, with the drawer. Inside the drawer, you've got your blow dryer. You got your little magnified lighted vanity mirror, your tissues, a nice little bench to sit on, and they provide you with an amenities box. Inside the amenities box, you're provided with a shower cap, some round face sponges, a nail file, a sewing kit, and some Q-tips. You have 2 sinks, perfect for him and her, or his and his, or hers and hers, or they and they.
People just want to find her, but they was like, somebody like, when we gonna start saying his and hers and just call it hers and hers or his and his? I was like, shit, it's just dual vanity from now on.
You're provided with lotion, some hand towels. You have a decent counter space. You have your outlets here for your blow dryers or electric shavers. Nice little soaking tub with a towel rack above. You know, my thing is having plenty of places to hang up your towels and robes. They have another towel rack there, hook if you will, a walk-in shower. This is very reminiscent to where we just stayed at Green Valley Ranch. Same setup, except Palazzo has the 2 sinks. They also have a TV in the bathroom. You can watch TV while you're soaking in the tub. You have your toilet closet, phone. Again, people, doesn't matter where you stay, they always fail on providing a trash can, a designated trash can for the toilet closet. You just need that. So I'll probably move that one in the toilet closet and bring the one from the main room into here. As you walk out of the bathroom, turn left, head towards the main sleeping area. You're greeted with a nice open room, divided by that countertop. You have your living area on that side, and you have your sleeping area on this side. Nice little bench to store any bags, or just sit down, remove your shoes. Chair. The nightstand on this side does not have any drawer space, but it does have the clock radio. You are provided with 2 USB ports. You have your remotes here for your drapery. Another nice little mirror. It opens up the room a bit. We haven't slept in this bed yet. I believe that's a king-size bed. And we'll let you know how that is. You have another dresser on this side with 3 drawers, your phone and a notepad. Again, mirrors, nice little print. You've got your double door closet. As you open it up, it does light up. And in here you can find your in-wall safe, your luggage rack, some nice robes, 2 of them, ironing board. And at Green Valley Ranch we had these little pockets, but there was nothing in there. I guess that's where you store your laundry sheets and laundry bag. And you have a shelf up on top to store anything extra. This room does come with an adjoining door. And of course, you have a set of drawers on this side. They're deep, 6 of them to be exact. Good sized TV, ice bucket, glasses. Here you have the living area and another switch to control the drapery. 2 steps leading down into the sunken living area. A nice sectional couch here. A little coffee table. Another one here on the side. And then you have your office area, your desk, phone, notepad again. Dining area, 2 chairs. And another TV, a third TV. Here you have one of those electronic mini bars, but you do have extra storage at the bottom. And on the other side, you have your refrigerator, but it is fully stocked with highly expensive treats and drinks. But we did manage to find a little shelf up here where we could store some complimentary water that we received while we were staying at Green Valley Ranch. So we have, I think this is a pretty cool view. I mean, it's probably not the best view that Palazzo has to offer, but to me it's a pretty nice view. I can get used to this for, you know, the next 3 nights. But we do have a view of the Link Ferris wheel. We have a view of the Strip a little bit. We have a view of the Mirage volcano, so that would be pretty cool to catch that show at night. So it's a partial Strip view, a little bit of the Mirage, a little bit of the Forum shops, not too much. We do have a view of the Venetian pool, and a lot of rooftop view, but that's fine. We can see the airport from here, we can see planes coming in and going, but it's a pretty nice view. AC goes down as low as 65 in this room. Perfect. So as you can see, it's a very, very spacious room, and I believe we will have a very comfortable stay here. Let us know if you have ever stayed at the Palazzo, or if you ever plan on staying at the Palazzo, and what your experience was like. Well, there you have it. Room tour of a Palazzo King room. I'm not sure if there's a specific name for this type of room, but either way, again, thanks goes out to Danny from @VegasIntrovert. Please check out his YouTube channel, Vegas Introvert. Subscribe, and yeah, he's got a lot of great videos. And what else?
Super nice guy.
Anything else
Thank
you can
you
say
again.
about the room?
Nope. Get me to the casino.
We'll let you guys know how our stay is. If we find any cons, we'll let you know. So stay tuned for that.